Arsh Chahal, it's my space. Sugar. Sugar. When you eat sugar, you must wonder, how is sugar made? You might not know so much about it. Today, I will tell you how sugar is made. This is how sugar is made. Sugarcane's juice, they clean it, they heat it up. These two processes happen many times. Then we do crystallization. Then the sugar goes to the markets. Now let's now let's dive deeper in this concept. I will tell you about how are these steps done. For that, let's go to our adventure to India. Come on, buckle your seatbelts because this is going to be a long adventure. Let's go to India. Sugarcane. Sugarcanes are plants that contain sweet. These plants give us sugar. This is the first step, growing or planting sugarcanes. In this picture, we can see that they are taking sugarcanes to take out the juice with empty cells. Did you know India produced around 352 million tons of sugar in 2015 and 16? Largest sugarcane producing state of India is Uttar Pradesh. Sugarcane's juice. Sugarcane's juice is very cold and sweet. Yummy. Yummy. This is the second step, cutting and squeezing the sugarcanes for the juice. In the picture, we can see that there is a delicious juice. Guess whose juice? Wisdom pieces. Did you know Burma, Egypt, India, Indonesia, Brazil, Madagascar, Pakistan, Vietnam, these are the countries which drink sugarcane juice. Cleaning. When you pluck something from the mud or soil, it is always dirty. That is what happens with sugarcane. Plus, we do not eat dirt or soil. A lot of cleaning is done, not with soap and water, with chemicals like phosphoric acid. In the picture, we can see that machines are cleaning the sugar with phosphoric acid. Wisdom pieces. Did you know lime is also used in cleaning? Lime is something which is used for painting. Heat it up. Sugarcane juice is heated up. It might be strange because I used to think that sugar is freeze. You see that when you heat sugarcane's juice, it becomes sticky. In the picture, we can see that people are boiling sugarcane's juice. Wisdom pieces. Did you know when you heat up the sugarcane juice, the temperature is 91 to 95 Celsius? Cleaning again. Now the heat sugarcane is also dirty and we have to clean up too. We use chemicals like phosphoric acid, lime, etc. to clean. In the picture, we can see the machines are cleaning the sugar with phosphoric acid. Again and again. The process cleaning and the process heat it up is repeated many times, as you can see in the picture I made. So you see here that these two processes happen many times. This step does not have a time limit, but then when does this step end? Until the sugarcane juice is not white as snow. Crystallization. How do we do this process? First, we let all the water from the sugar, as we know that sugar is a solid thing. This is called evaporation. In the picture, we can see that machines are evaporating all the water from the sugar with some pieces. Did you know sugar dissolves in the water at 0 degrees Celsius? After crystallization, what will we do with the waste and the remaining sugarcane juice? The waste of the sugarcane juice is a fertilizer. and is sent it to the farmers. And the juice which is left, not turned into crystal, will have to go through the process again. In the picture we can see, in the first picture we can see that the waste of sugarcane juice is a fertilizer. In the picture we can see, in this picture we can see that sugarcane juice is going through the process again. Wisdom says, did you know Brazil produces 28% of the world's sugarcane and India produces 18%? Now what happens? All the sugar goes to the market, then we buy tasty and sweet sugar. In the picture, we can see that the girl is buying sugar. Wisdom says, did you know 3 bags of 3 kg of sugar goes in one market daily? Means 9 kgs for all the markets. Now we have sweet, white, tasty sugar. So this is the end of the big process. References: Google Images, Google Slides, Facts. Teacher, presenter, researcher, Arsh. Any questions? If you do have questions, then write it in the comments section. I will try to answer your question. Thank you.